Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Tkinter is a popular Python library used to create graphical user interfaces, GUIs, for desktop applications. If you're using Windows Vista and want to build GUI applications using Tkinter, this tutorial will walk you through the steps, including installation and a basic code example. Before you start, make sure you have the following. Python. Ensure you have Python installed on your Windows Vista machine. You can download the latest Python version from the official website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Tkinter. Tkinter is included with most Python installations, so you don't need to install it separately. Now, let's create a basic Tkinter window using Python. Open your text editor or IDE, and follow these steps. Here's the complete code. To run your Tkinter application on Windows Vista, follow these steps. Save the Python script with a .py extension, for example, tkinter_example.py. Open a command prompt or terminal. Navigate to the directory where you saved your script using the cd command. Execute the script by running the following command. Your Tkinter window should now appear with the label text Hello, Windows Vista. You've just created a simple Tkinter application on Windows Vista. Tkinter offers a wide range of widgets and features to build more complex GUIs, so feel free to explore its documentation. https://docs.python.org/3/library/tkinter.html, to learn more about what you can do with it. Remember that Windows Vista is an outdated operating system, and it's recommended to upgrade to a more recent version for better security and compatibility with modern software. However, Tkinter should work on Windows Vista as long as you have a functioning Python installation. ChatGPT.